The investing itch. So you want a Questrade account? But wait. Which one? Ever get that feeling? You're scrolling through social media, friends are raving about their stock picks, and suddenly you're bombarded with visions of a beachside retirement bungalow. The investing itch sets in. Hold on a second though. Before you dive headfirst into the stock market, there's a crucial first step, choosing the right Questrade account. That's right, Questrade doesn't offer a one-size-fits-all solution. They have a variety of accounts, each with its own advantages and, of course, some limitations. Picking the wrong one can feel like showing up to a fancy restaurant in your gym clothes, a little awkward and potentially expensive. So, how do you navigate this financial menu and pick the Questrade account that perfectly complements your investing goals? Don't worry, we've got your back. In this video, we'll break down the three main Questrade accounts: the tax-free savings account, TFSA, the Registered Retirement Savings Plan, RRSP, and the Personal Investment Account. Let's talk taxes, the TFSA Advantage. Imagine a magical box where your money grows tax-free. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, that's exactly what a TFSA is. Any capital gains you earn, any dividends you receive, it's all yours, free and clear of the taxman's clutches. This makes the TFSA a fantastic option for short-term or medium-term goals. Need a down payment on a house in a few years? Building a vacation fund? The TFSA lets your money grow without Uncle Sam taking a bite. There's a catch, though. The Canadian government sets contribution limits every year. In 2024, you can contribute up to $6,500. So, if you're a high roller with a hefty sum to invest, the TFSA might not be enough on its own. Planning for retirement? The RRSP steps up. Thinking long-term? Retirement might seem like a distant dream, but trust us, it'll be here sooner than you think. That's where the RRSP comes in. Here's the deal. Contributions to your RRSP go straight off your taxable income. So, let's say you contribute $5,000 this year. That's $5,000 less you have to pay taxes on. Pretty neat, huh? But the real magic happens when your investments grow inside the RRSP. All those capital gains and dividends? They accumulate tax-free until you withdraw them in retirement. Here's the kicker. When you do finally tap into your RRSP, those withdrawals are considered taxable income. The all-purpose option, the Personal Investment Account. So, the TFSA is great for short-term goals and tax-free growth, and the RRSP is your retirement savings champion. But what if you don't fit neatly into either category? What if you just want to invest without all the contribution limits and tax implications? Enter the Personal Investment Account. This is your free-for-all zone. You can invest whatever amount you want, whenever you want. There are no contribution limits, and you have full control over your investment strategy. Of course, with freedom comes responsibility. Unlike the TFSA and RRSP, any capital gains you earn in a personal investment account are subject to capital gains tax. Finding your perfect match, a quick recap. Here's a cheat sheet to help you pick the right Questrade account. Short-term goals and tax-free growth, TFSA. Long-term retirement savings and tax deductions, RRSP. Flexibility and control with capital gains tax personal investment account. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all. The best Questrade account for you depends on your individual circumstances and financial goals. Are you a young investor just starting out? Maybe the TFSA is your perfect match. Nearing retirement? The RRSP might be your best bet. Do your research, talk to a financial advisor. This video is a great starting point, but it's not a substitute for professional financial advice. Before you dive in, do your research, understand the risks involved, and consider talking to a qualified financial advisor who can help you create a personalized investment plan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.